Heidi with Off-Leash Canine Training Hampton Roads. Here with me is Jake. He is a 5-month-old mini Bernedoodle puppy. And let's see where he's at with obedience. Jake, come! Oh my goodness! Good boy! Jake, sit. Jakey, sit. Jake, come! Oh, it's a good boy. Sit. Can you sit? Oh, yeah! Sit. Jake, sit. Come on, Jake, sit. No, that's not sit. Jake, sit. Oh, it's good boy. That's so good. Jake, come here. Jake, down. Jake, down. Can you lay down? Down. Jake, come here. Jake, come. Down. Down. Jake, down. Down. You're so cute. All right, so, I mean, kind of knows come. I think he just gets excited that I'm saying, Jake, hey, I'm over here. Sid, it looks like mom and dad have worked on that a little bit. He did come for a 1-week puppy board and train program where we introduced a little potty training, a little bit of come, sit, break. So he may still have that foundation from his little puppy board and train, but healing, it looks like he's just all over the place, kind of wherever he wants to go is where Jake's gonna go. So that's fine. While he's here with us, we're gonna work through the stubbornness like this. He doesn't wanna walk right now, that's okay. We're gonna work through all the stubbornness. Jake, come here. Jake, come. Come here. Good boy. Gonna teach him heel, how to come on the first time, sit the first time we ask. I'm not really sure how he is around dogs. I think he's pretty much just total puppy brain, wants to play with everyone. But we'll see how he is. We've got another little board and train up here. What do you think, Jake? What's going on? Jake, what you doing? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What do you think? Come here, Jake. Jake, come. Jake, come here. Jake, come here. Oh, it's a good boy. That's a good boy. Good man. So just total puppy brain. I mean, he's a good boy. He doesn't really have crazy dog issues, just basically puppy stuff. So we're gonna get his obedience straight. We're gonna make sure he's not super distracted by people or dogs, doesn't jump on people. It's just a good boy, has good manners. So we're super excited for you guys to check back in a couple weeks and see all of his progress.
Needless to say, I keep a check. She was a bad bird, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Needless to say, I'm keeping a check. She was a bad bird, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Thinking in a bad way, losing your grip. Been traveling in packs that I can't carry anymore. Been waiting for somebody else to carry me. There's nothing that's there for me at my door. All the people I know aren't who they used to be. And if I try to change my life one more day, there would be nobody else to save. And I can't change into a person I don't wanna be. So, oh, it's Saturday night. I pray for the wicked on the weekend. Mama, can I get another amen? Oh, it's Saturday night. Swear to God, I ain't never gonna repent. Mama, can I get another amen? Oh, it's Saturday night. Every morning when I wake up, I wanna be who I couldn't say I'd ever been. But it's so much more than I ever was. If every night I go to sleep knowing I pray for the wicked on the weekend. Mama, can I get another amen? Oh, it's Saturday night. Swear to God, I ain't never gonna repent. Mama, can I get another amen? It's Saturday night, yeah.
He traded his guns for love, but he's caught in the crossfire. And he keeps waking up, but it's not to the sound of birds. The tyranny, the violent streets, deprived of all that we're blessed with. And we can't.
Right, this is Jake. He just did his 2-week board training at this place, Canine Off-Leash. And honestly, the training has made a world of a difference. He was just stubborn before. And as you can see, he's just sitting there relaxing right now. But yeah, before he was just all over the place, a little mess, just a big ball of fur running around. And now you can kind of keep him where you want him and distance yourself from him. And yeah, I would definitely recommend it 10 out of 10 to anybody, for sure.
Hey guys, Josh Wilson with Off-Leash Canine Training, and I hope you enjoyed another amazing dog put out by my team. Across the country, we don't care about the breed, the size, the age, or the behavioral issue. We're gonna make them awesome for you. If you're interested in seeing more videos like the one you just saw, click the image here on the screen. Also, I'd encourage you to check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And before you leave our channel, make sure you subscribe. So every time a new video comes up of another outstanding dog doing some crazy, amazing things, you're gonna get notified in your email address. And for more information on other locations we have around the country, check us out at joshwilson.dog. Appreciate you so much for watching our channel. See you soon.